Good morning everyone. Today I am given a practical example of sum and autosum formula. This is the data and this is all amount. We have to make a total of this column. So first one we have select the cell and press autosum. We autosum and enter. So our total is ready. And second alternative, first one select alter plus equal to and enter. This is the total. Now other one example is plus, make a formula sum control, select the data and close. That is the third way to make a sum. And last one is total of all sum, plus plus plus. So we have calculate all total sum. Thank you for watching.